to the DeSoto Public Library for Story Time to Go. Are you ready for another Story Time to Go today? Yeah, I am too! And it's getting towards that time of year where it's a little bit spooky. I really like this time of year, and it's a time of year where you might see some pumpkins and some bats and maybe some meow cats. Yes! So what do you think today's theme will be for our story time to go? Cats! You got it! But wait a minute. Who do you think will not like our cats? Oh, you guessed it. Otis! Should we wake up Otis? Yes! Let's do it. Now, do you remember how to wake up Otis? There's only one way in the whole world to wake up Otis, and we have to say 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You think you can do it? All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis! Otis, wake up. No, I don't want to. Otis, it's time to wake up. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I know. Is it story time to go? It is, Otis. Oh, I knew it. What are we going to do today? Are we going to talk about dragons? No. Are we going to talk about snakes? No. Are we going to talk about, my favorite thing, trash? No, Otis. What are we going to talk about? What is small? Meat. No. Black? Bugs? No. And likes to say meow. A cow? No, Otis. It's a cat. A cat? Yeah. Today our theme is cats. Oh, I don't like cats. And then they always say meow. Brr. Oh, it's so annoying. Otis. What? That's not very nice to say about cats. Well, it's true. Otis, what? We have a friend here with us. You didn't even notice. Don't listen to Otis. He was not saying very nice things about cats earlier. Don't listen to Otis. Oh, no. I was only saying how much I love cats and how beautiful they are and how they say meow, ow, ow. Otis! Oh, what? I think it's time to get back focused. Oh, yeah. And we're here for story time with our friends. Oh, yeah. And we're going to make a cat today. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna make a cat. I'm ready. You promise? Yeah. Are you gonna stay awake? Yeah. Do you think Otis is gonna stay awake? I will, because I have to make a good impression for my new friend. Meow. Otis. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put you over here, and you're gonna help me make this cat. Yeah. Ready? And oh man, Otis fell asleep. How are we going to do our cat craft without Otis? We'll just have to do it without him. You are going to get to make a cat. And here's what you're going to get in your kit when you come to the DeSoto Public Library. You are going to get a paper plate, a black sheet of paper, pipe cleaners, 2 eye stickers, some pink paper, a pom-pom, glue dots, and a black crayon. What you're not going to get, you might have to have at your house, is a pair of scissors. So are we ready to get started? Let's do it. Okay. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to take your paper plate and cut it in the shape of a moon. So I'm going to take my black crayon and we're going to draw out. There we go. And I'm now going to cut out that shape. That's a pretty good moo, don't you think? Yeah. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to make this the body of our cat, our black cat. So we're going to take our black crayon and we're going to color it black because we don't need a white cat today. We're doing a black cat. All right, now we have a body, but where is our head for our cat? I think we need a cat head. So what you can do is you can take remember the piece that we cut out? We are going to make it a smaller circle. You can also use the black construction paper in your kit as well. Either way will work just fine. In fact, I am going to make my head super strong and do both. Done! So we have a cat head and we have a cat body, and I think our cat needs some eyes to be able to see. And I also think that our cat needs some whiskers. So I'm going to put the whiskers on first. This, and then I'm going to use another glue dot, and I am going to put the nose on top of the whiskers. Make cat ears, so we'll use the black construction paper to make the outside of our ears, and we will use the pink construction paper to make the inside of our ears. And what is our cat missing? Our cat is missing a tail. So you can either use a piece of the black paper, or you can use the pink paper, or you can use a pipe cleaner, or even the rest of the paper plate. It's up to you. It is your choice. But I'm going to use the black strip of paper. There we go. And we have finished our cat. What do you think? Does that look like a good cat? Do you think you could make this cat at home? I think you can. Should we show Otis what we made today? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm ready. Let's make it. Wait a minute. Did you do it without me? Otis! What? You fell asleep. No, I didn't. I was awake the whole time. You were? Yeah. Did you help us make the cat? I did. Really? Okay, no, I didn't. Otis! Well, we have made this wonderful cat. Oh, yes, I do like your cat. Oh, can I present it to my friend? Meow. Meow. Otis, what are you doing? Well, didn't you know I speak cat? Meow. Otis! Oh, now she ran away. Otis,